Do you want to learn how to create AI character video? Hello, I'm an AI character. Today, I'm going to teach you about how you can also create AI video in just a few steps. Yeah, let's get started. Step 1. Launch the CapCut Pro app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the New Project button to begin a new editing session. Step 3. Import the footage or video clip where you want to add the AI character. You can do this by tapping on the icon and selecting the video from your device's gallery or stock library. Step 4. Once the footage is imported, tap on the Text tab and tap on the first option, AI Writer. Here you can give whatever topic you want to create video. Later on you can edit as you wish. And then click on Use Script and select the Add AI Character option. Here you scroll to see a lot of AI characters options available, which you can use any AI characters you want to. Step 5. After selecting the AI character, you may have the option to adjust its size, position, and other settings. Explore the editing options to customize the character to your liking. Step 6. Once you're satisfied with the placement and settings of the AI character, preview the video to ensure everything looks as desired. If everything looks good, save your project. Step 7. Tap on the Export button to export your edited video with the AI character included. Choose your preferred resolution and quality settings. Then wait for the export process to complete. And then after exporting, you can share your video directly from CapCut Pro to social media platforms, or save it to your device for later use. That's it. You've successfully added an AI character to your video using CapCut Pro.